Can you see the car?
Yeah.
Focus on the car, I'm secondary, okay? Alright guys, I have big news. I did get picked up for that sponsorship by MAPerformance. Well, I don't really know if they call it sponsorship. I applied to be on their street team, so I'm on their street team now. And I have this link right here. It's gonna be in the description of all of my videos by the time you're watching this. So you can copy and paste that link into your browser and purchase something from MAPerformance with my link. If you're a new customer to MAPerformance, you get a 5% discount on your first order. You know, every single time I get a referral, I get points, and then that helps me. I buy all my parts from MAPerformance. I got my intake and my exhaust from them. So, come over here, babe. So anyway, I told you guys that I'm giving away the emblems, and I'll do the drawing right now. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to this website that randomizes my YouTube comments, just like I did for the last giveaway, and it's just gonna pick a random comment. So here we go. Congratulations. I'm gonna respond to your comment that you left on the last video. In case you don't see this video right away, email me here and I'll mail them out to you. I'll probably take them off tomorrow when I go to resume wrapping with Sergio. That's another thing I want to update you guys on. So this is one of the problems we had, and I didn't really show that in the last episode, but we were too short, so I just ended up making like a really janky cut, but it's gonna be okay. And no, I did not cut on the paint. I lifted it up from the body and I cut it. But what we're gonna do is I have knifeless tape. I'm gonna lift it up to here, put the knifeless tape, fold it back down over the knifeless tape, and then I'm gonna make clean cuts, and I'm gonna put an overlay here. So I'll show you guys how we'll do it. Also, I finally ordered a chrome trim piece kit last night from eBay, and they're actually a bunch of different colors. One of them was dark black, and it was like a chrome mirror black. So I think it's pretty close to the black that's on here. Piano black, you could say. That is gonna come in soon, and then that should complete the wrap of the car.
Real quick, you couldn't get like a black like this? Like what?
Yeah, I can get a matte black.
I think that
for this?
bitchin'. Yep.
Okay, well, I can always try it out. I mean, I can always redo it. It's like a $22 or $23 thing.
You should do like what you did with the side markers. You should do one side one and then the other one the other, and see how it looks.
Yeah. So one last thing I want to mention about the wrap. Do you guys want to see a roof wrap tutorial? Yes or no in the comments? Also, do you want to see, don't show them, but do you want to see a trunk wrap tutorial? Because I'm doing the trunk tomorrow, so I'm going to film it regardless, but do you guys want it to be like a tutorial type video or just a vlog? Let's get in the car. We're going to drive home. This is going to be a short vlog today. I'm going to monitor my intercooler air temperatures because that's my next mod, and it's going to be like, I'm going to order that like within the next week probably.
It is hot as balls.
So you guys heard how quiet that is. That's the next mod I'm gonna get after the intercooler is going to be a front pipe down pipe upgrade. And it's annoying that I have to say front pipe down pipe every single time I mention that, because you can't just say down pipe, because you can't get a down pipe upgrade without upgrading the front pipe. It doesn't make sense. So anyway, it's just annoying saying front pipe down pipe. It's too many syllables. If anyone would like to send me their sound clips of their, you know, catted down, I'm gonna get a catted downpipe. Please DM them to me on Instagram, and I would like to hear your guys' thoughts on them. We're gonna drive home, and I'm gonna show you guys why it's so important that my next modification be an intercooler. So it's 83 degrees here, and it's like 11:45 in the morning in Roseville, California. So I'm gonna show you here. We were only in the car for maybe 10 minutes on our way to this parking lot. And there are my temperatures. Engine coolant's at 179, and my intake air temperature is 113 degrees. And when we start driving, I'll show you guys that it lowers a little bit, but I'll do a pull onto the street. I'll do like a second gear pull. I'll show you guys what happens to the temperatures. I am torn between PRL and Mishimoto. I'm gonna lower the window. So I don't know, I'm torn between Mishimoto and PRL. I think they both look good with the stenciling, so I mean, it's not really the looks that I'm torn between, it's pretty much just the price. I mean, they're both very good qualities. As a lot of you know, I ask all of your opinions on parts and what you suggest for this and that. I'm gonna feature 3 different cars today from some of my Instagram followers. The first one here, he has the 2020 Coupe, and he's done quite a lot of stuff to it, you know, for it being a 2020 model. What's really interesting is it has a single exit AWE track exhaust tip. He also has braided seats. One thing I am interested in doing is a full leather interior swap for my car, so like a leather armrest and leather seats from the touring model, just for, I don't know, just for comfortability and looks. I really like leather. I wasn't really a fan of leather until I had my Corvette, and then I was like, wow, I really do like leather seats, and they're comfortable. The second person I want to talk about here is my friend Tyler. He recently started YouTubing with this car, and I think he has a lot of potential. And then the last person I'm going to mention here is Benji. It's a beautiful picture of his car right here. I really wish I would have gotten mine in black, but I am very happy with the color of my car now. I'm really enjoying the wrap color. It looks really, really good in the shade. It looks good all the time. Yeah, I can't wait to complete the car and then show you guys. Back to the vlog. So anyway, that's all I have for today, guys. I just want to make a quick vlog. The next video you're gonna see is part 5 of the wrapping process. It's gonna be the rear bumper, also featuring how to disassemble it properly and all that type of stuff. And if you are going to buy some parts, I do recommend MAPerformance to buy your parts from. And if you wanna use my link, that would help out a lot. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.